Tirso Edwin Loleng Gardiola, born September 24, 1955, is a Filipino civil engineer, transportation executive, and politician currently serving as the first nominee of the Construction Workers Solidarity CWS party list in the House of Representatives of the Philippines since 2022. He owns a 300 million peso mansion in Newport. Gardiola was born on September 24, 1959 in Matas, Nakahoy, Batangas. He earned his Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from the National University in Manila. Before entering politics, Gardiola served as chairman of two major Philippine transportation companies, Jam Liner, one of Luzon's largest provincial bus operators, and Filtranco, the country's oldest bus company, established in 1914. He also owns several construction and real estate firms, including JSG Construction, named after his wife, Judy Silva Gardiola, and Vercar Realty Corporation. In 2009, the Philippines Center for Investigative Journalism (PCIJ) reported that JSG Construction is owned by Gardiola and his wife Judy. Edwin's brother Elmer and his wife Elaine are owners of Gardiola Construction, while Elmer is also listed as an incorporator of JSG. The PCIJ reports that JSG and Gardiola Construction is among the top 10 contractors working with the Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH from 2000 to 2008 under President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo's administration. In a 2014 House of Representatives inquiry, Gardiola's firm JSG Construction was implicated in Philippine peso 6 billion worth of unreported DPWH projects during the Arroyo administration, securing AAA contracts despite only possessing a B license from the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board (PCAB). Elected under the Construction Workers Solidarity Party list in 2022, Gardiola has focused on labor rights legislation for construction workers. His committee assignments include Committee on Public Works and Highways and Committee on Transportation. He was named first nominee of CWS once again for the 2025 election. In February 2025, a disqualification case was filed against CWS by Batangas gubernatorial candidate J. Manalo Iligan when Gardiola attended a giveaway event at the Barako Fest in Lipa. The 3 sedan cars given as prizes were allegedly sponsored by Gardiola, an act which the complainant believes to constitute as vote buying. Tax evasion cases. In 2012, the Bureau of Internal Revenue filed criminal complaints against Gardiola and his companies for purchasing undeclared luxury vehicles, including BMW, Lexus, and Jaguar models between 2006 to 2009, despite declaring minimal income and unpaid dues for the purchase of 3 Lexus vehicles in 2009 as a corporate officer of Woodhates. Gardiola is married to physician Judy Silva Gardiola, after whom JSG Construction is named. They have two daughters, Kim Ann and Katrina Mara Gardiola, who have served as corporate officers in his companies. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.